Hello and welcome to the tutorial on projected views. So in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how to draw third angle projection view. And in this tutorial, we are going to draw this object. And we need to draw three views: a front view from A, a side view from B, and a top view when you look from the top. So my general strategies is I often assess the object first to know what the space I need and what the scale for the drawing. And after that, I often start from an easy view, which is usually the front view of the object. And I draw the visible lines first and then draw the hidden line later. So now let's try to draw the front view from A for this object. From A, I can see this base as a rectangular box. So I move to my AutoCAD 2020, get the visible lines on, and try to draw a rectangular box. Because the base has a leg, so I try to get from 100 and then draw back. 100 minus 63 is 37 millimeters. I try to mimic what you can do on your paper. Now I draw up by 6 and then draw all the way back 63 to the origins and go up by 19 minus 6 is 13. And here is the view of the base that I can see from the point A. The smooth corner is not visible because it's smooth transition, and this is the base. Now I try to draw up the upper part of the detail with the rectangle and a semicircle on the top. So I draw the square first, which has a dimension of 38 by 38. And then I can use compass to draw a semicircle on the top. So I just need only half of this, so I don't need the whole circle. So I trim it in AutoCAD. When you draw it on paper, you don't need to draw the bottom half. Here is the outer boundary of the top part. Now I need to draw this triangle. So I start from here and go tangent. So now I need to draw the cut inside it. So the cut has a rectangular box of 13 by 19. So I try to draw the rectangular box now. And two semicircles at the end. And I can erase the part I don't need. So here is all of the visible lines of the details I have. Now I move to the hidden line to draw something I can't see directly. I need an X-ray to see it. Here, first part I want to draw is the circle, the circular cut. The outer diameter is 20 and the center is 19 from the boundary, and I go down by 6. So I need to change my layer to hidden line. So I go in from the boundary by 19 minus 10, which is 9, go down by 6, get in by 5, and here is my one side of the cut. On the other side, I get in by 29, go down by 6, go back by 5, and go down again, all the way down. So here is a circular cut I have. It had 2 steps. You may want to add up a central line to show that this is an asymmetric cut. Now I need to draw the right hand side view from B because it's on the right hand side. I can see the base as a rectangular box because the corner is smooth, so therefore it's not visible. So I try to put the right hand side view on the right hand side. Now I draw a rectangular box from a distance, and the width should be 45 millimeters. Go up by 19 and go back. Please note that I'm trying to mimic what you can do on paper. In AutoCAD, I have many tools to do it faster. Now I try to draw the top part by aligning the lines, so get the same dimension. It will get in by 19. Here is the top part, what I can see. Now I try to draw the triangle. So I start from the same height and get in by 10 because the thickness of the triangle is 10. And then I go on the way down. Because the intersection is smooth, it's tangent, so therefore I don't need that one. So here is all of the visible lines I can see from the right hand side. Now I try to add up the hidden line for the circular cut. So I get in by 19 minus 10 is 9, get down by 6 and go on the way down. Yep, the top circle has diameter of 20, so I go further by 20, go down by 6, get back by 5 and go on the way down. So you see that because it's asymmetric, so the two cuts are similar. The line at the same height, and I can add the center line to show that it's asymmetric. Please make the center line a bit further to show that it's a constructive line. Now I need to draw the hidden line for this part and the bottom. I just align the lines from the respective point on the front view to the side view. And now the last step, I'm going to draw the view from the top view. So now we can see the smooth corner because it is visible from the top view. Now we try to draw something on the top. I firstly draw a rectangle first. The rectangle has a size of 100 by 45. Now I need to do the smooth corner, so I try to identify the center of the fillet, and I draw the circle here with compass. On paper, you don't need the whole circle. Okay. And here is the base with all visible lines. Now I try to draw the circular cut because they are visible from the top. So I draw from the same center a circle with diameter of 20 millimeters and another circle with the diameter of 10 millimeters. So it aligns well with the front view. Because I see it from the top, so all of them are visible. Now I try to draw the upper part. So this part will align well from the front view. And for the triangle, I go down from the corner by 10 and get in to the point, the tangent point I get on the front view. Yep. And I connect them to show. Because the connection is smooth, so therefore I cannot see the line there. Now I try to draw the hidden line for the base, what I couldn't see. So I align well from the leg and draw up to show this. I also need to draw the hidden line for the cutoff of the upper part. So just align them. Now I want to add up the center line for this view. So I draw the center line for the cylinder cut to show that it's symmetric. I may also want to add up the center line for the cut of the upper part, because you know it sometimes can make it confused with cylinder cut, so sometimes you don't draw it, but if it's symmetric you should add a center line to show that. So here is all of my 3 views from A, B and from the top. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for your time and see you next time.